Hi friends, this is Aishwarya from freshersworld.com. Welcome to our YouTube channel on jobs and careers. So the topic that we are going to look today is cube of numbers from 1 to 99. How easily we can solve it with the simple tricks. So this video will be split into part 1 and part 2 because we have 4 ways of solving the cube numbers. So how they are split is numbers starting with 1, like number from 11 to 19 are the numbers that are starting with 1 from 1 to 99. So similarly, number that ends with 1, example 21, 31, 41, the ways in which we can solve it. Next is the same numbers, which is nothing but 22, 33, 44 are the kind of numbers that we are talking in same numbers. So the last thing that we are going to see is the different numbers. So the category that falls under is like, for example, 23, 42, 83 are the different numbers. So this has been split into 2 in order for you to understand it much better. So let's get started. So the first type is numbers that start with 1. Let's take an example. Let's say we want to find the 12 cube. So how are we going to write it? So 12 cube. First write the first 2 digits as such. Now we're going to square the second digit. 2 square is nothing but 4. Now make the cube of the second digit. 2 cube is 8. So what is the first step that we did? We did the square of it, write it here. Cube of it, write it there. Next step is multiply the middle 2 digits into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So let's start adding it. So 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So what we're going to do here is 2 here will be remaining there. The 1 that is here, take it there. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1, 7, 2, 8. So how we going to write is 1, 7, 2, 8. So 12 cube is nothing but 1728. So how we did it? First 2 digits, write it as such. Square of the number is 4. Cube of the number is 8. In the middle 2 digits is nothing but 2 and 4. You are multiplying it by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So now we are going to add it. 8 as such. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write the last digit alone here and carry over the rest of the digits to the next place. So 1 here is we are carrying over it here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 1, 7, 2, 8 as such we are writing it. So this is how we easily find. Let's solve another sum to understand this concept much better. So the next that we are going to solve is 17 cube. So what did we do? 1, 7 as such. Square of 7 is 49. Cube of 7 is nothing but 343. So now we have to multiply the middle 2 digits by 2. 7 2s are 14. So we are going to multiply 49 into 2, which is nothing but 98. So what we are going to do? We are going to add it. So as such, the last digit will be here. So out 34, you can carry over it here. So 9 plus 4, 13, plus 1, 21, 2, 5, 9, 18. So this 18 will be carried over here. 15, 19, 1 carry over here. So 3. So 3 will be taken here, which is nothing but 4. So what is the value is nothing but whichever is not circled. So 4, 9, 1, 3. So 17 cube is 4913. So how did we do it? 17 as such we are writing it. Square of it is 49. Cube of it is 343. Then you have to just add it. The last digit will always remain. Rest of the digits will be carried over to the next place. That's how you are going to do it from right side to the left side. So your answer will be nothing but the digits that are left out that are not in the bracket. So nothing but 4913. So that's how you will get the answer for 17 cube. So similarly for other cubes also you can solve it in a similar manner and you can find the answer very easily. Once you start solving it, you will get the speed and you can find it within seconds. So let's go to the type 2. So the type 2 is nothing but number ends with 1. So in case of the first type, we talked about the numbers which starts with 1. So similar technique we are going to do here with a very slight change. So the question that they have given is 21 cube. You're going to write 21 as such, but in the end this time. Initially we wrote in the starting part for the number starts with 1. The opposite we are going to do here. So we are writing it to the end. Same way we are going to do. 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 cube is nothing but 8. Similarly multiply the middle digits by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now add it. 1, 6, 9, 2, 6, 1. So 21 cube is nothing but 9, 2, 6, 1. So how did we solve it? In the same way that we did for the type 1 with a one minor change. Instead of putting the 21 in the first 2, we put it in the last 2. So 21 at the end, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, multiply the middle two digits by 2, which is nothing but 8 into 4. Then you are going to add it in the same way. Once you do this, you will get easily the cube for the problems which the numbers ends with 1 here. In the part 1 of the cube of the numbers from 1 to 99, we solved two types. One is a number that ends with 1 and one is a number that starts with 1. In the next part, we will be dealing with the same numbers and the different numbers. To understand that concept better, keep watching our video. So if you are a person who is looking for a job, kindly register in our freshersworld.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.